Welcome back, guys, to my channel. Here again, we are here to analyze the market for the following week, for the coming week. So guys, as you can see here, I'm not going to explain every single decision that I'm going to take in the market. However, I will show you where I'll take my entry. As you can see here, we're on the daily time frame. We got that move in the market about the last week. We got that candle here, and I'm supposed to get a pullback in that zone. As you can see here, after the pullback, we'll take our entry and determine our first profit here. Why I say that? That's because I've been analyzing market all along the week, about the weekly. As you can see, the market was drop here. We got a nice move here. We got a nice bullish candle here. We're supposed to block that zone and then to take our profit. That can be here. That can be here in that zone. That can be here to take our profit. The market can maybe reversal after coming in that zone. That can be something like that. However, I don't know if the market willing to continue the up. That will be good also. We are here waiting for. So let me show you guys in the 4 hours. Maybe you'll take your entry, because my strategy is a swing strategy. I will stay in the market all along the week. So that is why I'm waiting here to take my entry after the pullback in that zone. I will take my entry here. I will take my entry here and determine my first profit here. That will be a 4. That will be a 4. As you can see here, guys. So pay close attention. Pay close attention. That really nice strategy here. So quickly, guys, I'm going to end the GBPUSD to show you my analysis also, because I will not stay too long in the market with you guys. Let me show you my GBPUSD here. GBPUSD, that's my strategy here also, guys. Let me go into 1 day with you to give you a clear idea about the market. Okay, guys, as you can see here, we got a trend here. We got a really nice trend, and the market willing to break that trend. As you can see, we got that zone as a resistance zones. The market broke that zone. We're supposed to get a pullback on that zone and then to take a secret profit here. That depends. However, we got many news about the coming week on Thursday, Friday, something like that. So guys, we have to pay close attention. And that's the weekly time frame. That's the weekly time frame the market broke that zone. We don't know yet, but we're supposed to get a pullback here and then to continue the up. So guys, I'm so happy that you are here again today. Let me go quickly with you in the 4 hours. Okay, in the 4 hours, you got something like that. I'm waiting for something like that here to get a nice pullback here. To get a nice pullback, and then the market's supposed to drop and to come up again. Now I'll take my entry and take my first profit with the market. So guys, if you are here, I would like you to pay close attention about the price also. I would like you to pay close attention about the price. Maybe if you take your entry at the same price with me. So that is the price here. As you can see, I'll take my entry here and determine my first profit. That will be 142. I can say 143. Why I didn't say my first profit is supposed to be 146? That's because of that zone. As you can see here, that's because of that zone, and maybe the market can maybe come in that zone and then we reverse on. So guys, you have to pay close attention if you'd like to take advantage of the market. So guys, don't forget that every single day we share short videos in the channel where you can take your entry with us. We share short videos or take our entry in the market every single morning. If you'd like to take advantage of that, that will be good also to take advantage. So guys, quickly, let me go and the USD. Let me go in the USD. That's all my strategy for the following week. That's all my strategy for the following week. As you can see here, guys, we got the resistance zone here. We got the resistance zone, and the USD is in that zone. As you can see, we got a false breakout about the first move here. It's a false breakout and the market drop again. So here, that is why I'm waiting for a pullback like that. The market's supposed to come up first. Let me give you a clear example about what I'm talking. The market's supposed to come up first. After the coming up, a pullback, and then we'll take our entry to continue the up of the market. If the market don't do something like that, we will not take advantage. We will not enter the market, because as you can see here, we got a false breakout here. If you are taking your entry here, that's a really bad and false breakout. You have to wait in for after a breakout. You're supposed to get a nice pullback, and then after the pullback, you're supposed to get a bullish signal. let me give you an example. Let me give you a quick example, guys. You're supposed to get a pullback. As you can see here, we got a pullback in that zone, a bullish, and then we can take our entry. So guys, it works like that. If you don't got something like that in the market, you don't have to take advantage. You don't have to take advantage, cause maybe that can be a false breakout, as you can see here. So guys, pay close attention. Let me go in the 4 hour with you guys to show you I'm going to take my entry. Let me delete that one. Yes, to give you a clear idea, guys. So as you can see here, I'm waiting for the market to drop, coming up, pull back in that zone, and then taking my entry here. My risk reward will be like that, 1 for 5. So guys, pay close attention. I will take my first profit here. Why I'll take my first profit here, guys, that's because of that zone. As you can see here, that's because of that zone. I mean, I will take my entry because the market come in that zone at many times and rejected, come at many times rejected, and my first profit is supposed to be here. However, I'm willing to take a huge shake profit that can be maybe here. As you can see here, that can be maybe here. So guys, pay close attention. I do appreciate that you are here. All my strategy is multi-time frame strategy, guys. I analyze the monthly, weekly, 4 hours, 1 day, till 1 hour before taking my entry. So guys, let me show you my GBPJPY. Over in the GBPJPY, waiting for, because I will not take my entry yet. You know why? Because as you can see here, that's a really nice support. The market can maybe drop and come up, and the market also can drop at that price and then to continue the up. However, I will maybe take my entry in that market maybe on Thursday. That can be next week as well, because I don't have any confirmation yet, like to say, okay guys, you know what, you can take your entry here, you can do this, you can do that. Never mind. But let me go in the USD with you guys quickly. In the USD, guys, I got a nice move here, really nice move. We got negative news on the US. That is why my expectation on the USD will be like that. I'm supposed to get a retest in that zone. Why did it say over that zone? Why didn't it say that? Because the market already worked on a bullish candle. We're supposed to get something like that. The market's supposed to come up and then to drop. You know, why did it say like that? Because there are huge possibility the market's supposed to come up first, you know, but that's also possible that the market can maybe drop first and then retest and then to continue the drop. So guys, pay close attention, and let me show you the 1 day my strategy. Let me show you on the 1 day. So guys, pay close attention if you would like to take advantage of the market. The only and easy thing that you can do is that. So pay close attention here, guys. As you can see, my first take profit is supposed to be here because the move was started here, and you know, the move was started here. There are huge possibility that the market can maybe come in that price and then come up again. The market can maybe come at that price just like that, and come up again, you know. So we don't know yet, guys. So that is why I expected that zone for my first take profit, and I didn't expect something like that because of that zone here. Because of that zone, I expected my first take profit supposed to be here. So guys, pay close attention, and my risk on that trade is 1 for 5. As you can see, 1 for 5 is a really nice move, and I'm willing to take my profit like that. So guys, I do appreciate that you are here with me once again. I do appreciate that. That's the weekly candle. We're supposed to get something. We can maybe get something like that depending of the next week. So guys, thank you for being here again, and we'll be live all along the week. Thank you for being here. Peace.